Recording in progress.
Yes, Neha, we can start now. And before we start, actually, would request all of you to switch on your videos if possible. It would be good to see each other, doing yoga together, feel motivated. And yes, so over to Neha now.
Good evening. A very warm welcome to Yoga Phonetics presented by Womanite. We at Womanite NGO, just a second. Everyone, a very warm welcome to Yoga Phonetics presented by Womanite. We at Womanite NGO have been working from past 6 years on 3 issues such as sexual abuse, menstrual hygiene management, and gender equality. We have been working on our campaign that is #EndPeriodPoverty, distributing more than 6 lakh sanitary napkins as a part of COVID relief work. Now we are also working on another campaign to distribute oxygen concentrators and other material as a part of our COVID-19 relief work. We have our mental health helpline number to those who need support calls at this tough time. Through these open sessions, we want to create some hope amidst chaos and bring people together to create joy and happiness. So let's welcome our speaker for today, Ms. Vinutha. She has finished her post-graduation in commerce. After that, she has taken a keen interest in her passion, that is yoga, as she has been practicing it since her childhood. So she has done a certification course in yoga from MAHE, Manipal. So now let's head on to benefits of yoga and meditation. Yoga and meditation typically go hand in hand and have been around for thousands of years. They have been used as an alternative form of exercise to keep the mind, body healthy and happy. Practicing yoga improves balance, endurance, flexibility, and strength. It also improves blood circulation in our body, while meditation helps keep the mind sharp and relieve stress and anxiety, and can strengthen your immune system. Following a few simple poses, breathing techniques, and positive coping skills can help people manage stress, improve mental clarity, manage chronic conditions, and promote a healthier lifestyle. With so many health benefits linked to these traditional practices, let's begin our session for today. Over to you, ma'am.
Hello, everyone. Hello.
You're audible, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Hello, everyone. I hope all of you are fine. Yeah. Let us stay and safe during COVID. We have to become physically and mentally strong. Today's session is an hour's time. So now we are beginning with yoga mantra.
Hello everyone. As ma'am would be instructing us through the guided video session, we'll be giving you some instructions in both Hindi and English. So please do follow the following exercises along with us. Also a kind request, could all of you please turn on your videos and audios on so you can follow through with us during the yoga session. As said by ma'am, let's follow along with her. Are all of you ready? Okay.
Yes,
If all of you are ready, let's squat on the ground first. As ma'am is sitting in the position, this is also known as the Ardha Siddhasana. I guess there is some disturbance. Just a second.
I would request everybody.
Yes. So to continue with, as ma'am is sitting in the position, This is also known as the Ardha Siddhasana. So let's begin with the yoga mantra. That is, as the Guru recites the mantra, all of you, please close your eyes and try to look deeper into yourself. Over to you, ma'am.
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य जवैर्यगेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Now, all of you, please open your eyes slowly. Try to relax yourself. Let's warm our body with some of the background music included. Now, take both your hands, rub your hands, hold your right hand with the help of your left hand, and then take it behind your back. Try to bend forward. If you can, then only touch your forehead to the ground. But please make sure not to force yourself at any point. Just try to do how much ever you can. Slowly come back to your normal position. Now, your body is being warmed up. Let's move forward with it. Beginning with the asanas, these are some of the sitting exercises that you can perform easily sitting at home at a single place. Beginning with, this is also known as the Patangasana, which means kite in English. Here, sit straight with your back aligned to your body. Then slowly fold your legs inward. Make a kite shape. Shobha will be guiding you in Hindi just to make it easier.
पतंगासन। अब आप सब सीधे बैठ जाएं और अपनी कमर को उठाकर धीरे धीरे अपने दोनों पैरों को अंदर की तरफ मोड़ लें, फिर उसका आकार पतंग की तरह बनाएं।
Moving forward, next is known as the Shishupalasana. As you can see, ma'am, sitting in the same position, fold your right leg and bring it up to your chest level. And with your right and left hand folded beneath it, please try to move it like you're caressing a baby.
शिशुपालासना। जैसे आप सब पहले बैठे थे वैसे ही बैठे रहिए। अब आप लोग सीधे पैर को मोड़ लें और फिर धीरे धीरे अपने पैर को छाती की तरफ ला के रोक लो। अपना उल्टे पैर को मोड़ के रखें, फिर अपना
सीधा पैर धीरे धीरे इधर उधर हिलाएं, जैसे कि आप किसी बच्चे को की देखभाल कर रहे हैं। यही आपको अपने दूसरे पैर के साथ भी करना है।
Please make sure that you do not force yourself at any point of the exercise. Just do the ones that you can do. Do not force yourself.
जितना आप सबसे हो पाए आप सब उतना ही करें, ज्यादा ना करें।
Moving forward are some of the well-known knee exercises or the knee asanas. First one is the Marjalasana. This is called so because in Sanskrit, Marjal means cat. So now keep your hands forward, knees on the ground, sit on your foot, slowly raise your bodies forward, bend your body outward by inhaling and inward by exhaling.
मर्जला आसन। अब आप सब अपने हाथों को सामने की ओर रख लें, अपने पैर को जमीन से लगा के फिर आप अपने पैर पे बैठ जाएं। धीरे धीरे अपने शरीर को ऊपर की ओर उठाएं, फिर धीरे धीरे उसे अंदर की तरफ बाहर की तरफ सांस लें और फिर उसे अंदर बाहर अंदर लेते समय। और यही आपको जब आप सांस बाहर छोड़ेंगे तब करना है।
I hope all of you have warmed up. Let's move on to the standing exercises. Now, yes. Okay. Now slowly bend your knees and follow ma'am as by rotating it clockwise 3 times and anti-clockwise 3 times.
अब हम नाउ वी आर स्टैंडिंग एक्सरसाइज। अब आप लोग खड़े हो जाएं और नीज को मोड़ लें, घुटनों को मोड़ लें, फिर मैम को देखें और 3 बार सीधे की तरफ घुमाएं, फिर वैसे ही 3 बार उल्टा घुमाएं। धीरे
Move your wrists up and down. Follow ma'am thoroughly. These are used to relax your hands before beginning the next exercise.
बॉडी मैम को देख के करें, आपकी बॉडी खुल के आराम देगा, आपकी बॉडी के लिए।
I hope all of you have followed through the simple basic exercises which ma'am has shown you right now. Going on to a little higher version, that is the Surya Namaskaram. Just a point to note, that is, anyone here with BP or vertigo issues, please make sure not to follow this exercise. You can relax until this exercise has been done. But I repeat, anyone with the BP and vertigo issues are not liable to perform this exercise. But this exercise is really helpful in weight loss therapy. Now, due to the building up pandemic, it's really necessary to build up our immunity, and thus all those who do not have time for doing the meditation or any other exercises, just make sure you have to repeat 10 times of the following asana, that is Surya Namaskaram. So let's begin and follow ma'am in each steps. Let's go slowly. Over to you, ma'am.
अब
स्थिति, स्थिति,
सूर्य नमस्कार। इस बात पे ध्यान दें कि जो बेसिक और
Inhale,
वर्टिको वाले लोग हैं वो इसे ना करें।
exhale,
ये
inhale
इस
left,
आसन से बहुत ज्यादा
front,
वेट लूज होता है।
exhale.
इस
Then
महामारी के
bend
चलते आप
knee
सब
and down,
शक्ति को
hold.
बढ़ा सकते हैं जिनके पास समय नहीं।
Then
ध्यान
inhale,
करने या दूसरी एक्सरसाइज करने
exhale.
के लिए वो लोग
Inhale right
10
side,
बार इस आसनों को 10 बार कर सकते हैं। ये आपके शरीर को
inhale,
मजबूत और आपके वेट
exhale.
लूज करने में बहुत मदद करेगा।
Same kind, left side. Sthiti, inhale, exhale. Inhale, left side, left leg back, then plank, then down, hold, then inhale, exhale. Inhale, left leg,
मैं आशा करती हूँ
exhale,
कि इससे आप सबको काफी ज्यादा मदद मिल रही होगी।
exhale.
आपको अपने शरीर में कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्का हल्का बदलाव नजर आ रहा होगा। खिंचापन सी महसूस हो रही होगी।
Next is going to asana.
I hope all of you have followed through with the basic exercises and the asanas. These asanas were to be performed by sitting asanas or standing asanas. The last one, which was performed by you, was known as the Surya Namaskaram. If you do not have time to perform any of the following exercises, just make sure to at least perform Surya Namaskaram 10 times as said by ma'am. Moving forward will be the meditation, which is also known as pranayam. Meditation also includes pranayam in it. So, as said by ma'am, we need to make sure that we sit in any of the following 3 positions, which will be shown by ma'am respectively, in order to perform the proper meditation. Beginning with, ma'am will be showing you the Vajrasana.
Holding backside to legs, then sit on the legs. Otherwise, you can sit on Padmasana. Hold right leg, left, then right. This is called Padmasana. Otherwise, you can sit on Sukhasana. Sukhasana is hold the left leg inside, right side front. You can sit on this or Vajrasana or Padmasana.
I hope all of you have got it. मैम बोल रही है कि अगर आपको जिस सॉरी शोभा, यू कैन कंटिन्यू विद।
मैम बोल रही हैं कि आप सब अगर वज्र आसन में नहीं बैठ पाते तो आप सुख आसना और पद्मा आसन पे भी बैठ सकते हैं।
So ma'am has sat in Sukhasana now. I hope all of you will become more comfortable with this position, as most of you are beginners to it. Otherwise, you can also do the Vajrasana or Padmasana. Vajrasana, which was shown to you in the beginning, is really good for you in the digestion. Okay, moving forward is the pranayam. So, as said in the meeting details, this pranayam is really good during the COVID-19, which is going on right now, because we all of us know that the COVID-19 mainly affects our lungs. So this particular exercise makes sure that it strengthens your lungs. So please do make sure to follow these exercises at least for a time span of 5 minutes in your day-to-day life. Beginning with is the Simhakriyasana. Lift your shoulders, close your eyes, make sure your tongue is completely out and breathe outwards loudly.
पहले हम लोग सिंहासना करेंगे। क्लोज योर, अपने आंखों को बंद करें, अपनी जीभ को बाहर निकालें, सांस को बाहर की तरफ तेज से निकाल के, जरूरी है कि आप इसे 11 बार करें ताकि इसकी वजह से आपकी सांस लेने की जो शक्ति है वो बढ़ सके, जैसा कि मैम कर रही हैं।
Now fold your tongue and breathe outside.
अब आप सब अपनी अपनी जीभों को मोड़ लें और बाहर की तरफ सांस लें, जैसा कि अभी मैम ने बोला है। ये भी आपकी लंग्स की कैपेसिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए काफी मदद करता है, जो आज के समय में बहुत जरूरी हो गया है।
Once you're done following the particular exercise, we'll be moving on to the next exercise, which is known as Anuloma and Viloma in yoga words. This is one of the most famous pranayam in the following yoga days. The first one is known as the Brahmari Hasta. Please follow ma'am with the
अब हम
exercise.
लोग
Make sure
सॉरी मुस्कान, you can continue.
Make sure to fold your index and the middle finger. Keep your thumb on your right nostril. Breathe in from the left side. Keep your little finger on the left nostril and exhale from the right side.
अब हम सब अनुलोम विलोम करेंगे, भ्रमरी आसन। अब आप सब अपनी बीच की और उंगलियों को मोड़ लें, सीधे हाथ और अंगूठे को अपने नाक पे ले जाकर रख लें, सीधे हाथ की तरफ से अंदर की तरफ सांस खींचें और दूसरी तरफ से उसे छोड़ें।
Today, ma'am has just shown you the basics and you have performed it only once, but make sure you do the following exercise at least 10 times in your day-to-day life. Moving on is the Bastika exercise. In this following exercise, you will need to breathe outward as loudly as possible by you.
अब हम सब भस्त्रिका आसन का, आप सब बाहर की तरफ सांस निकालें जितना एक हो सके। प्लीज आप सब इसको 5 बार तो करें, जैसे कि मैम कर रही हैं। प्लीज आप सब मैम को फॉलो करें।
Once you're done with it, please do not open your eyes. But next, we'll be following with the Brahmari Asana. The first asana that you performed was known as Brahmari Hasta, but this is known as Brahmari Asana. Brahmari in Sanskrit means bees. So now take your thumb finger, keep it near your ears. Rest of your fingers should be rested on the top of your head. Now
अब
bring in the inner sound. That is, try to imitate a bee.
अब हम सब भ्रमरी आसना करेंगे। आप सब अपने अंगूठों को कान की तरफ लेके जाएं और कान को ढक लें और बाकी की जो उंगलियां हैं उन्हें अपने सर पर रखें और फिर धीरे धीरे ओम का जाप करें जितना देर तक ले सकते हैं। आप सब इसको ध्यान में रख के करें जैसा कि मैम कर रहे हैं।
This particular exercise is really helpful with all those having thyroid problems. As said by ma'am, she herself has seen 3 of her students who have cured with their thyroid problems following the particular exercise. They had left their medications which they were on for thyroid and had come back to the normal thyroid levels. So, please, anyone with the thyroid problem, make sure to follow this particular exercise, or anyone of your kith and kin with the following exercise can be told about this exercise.
जैसा कि ये इस आसनों की वजह से थायराइड की जो प्रॉब्लम है वो बहुत कम हो गई। जैसा कि मैम ने बताया कि ये 3 से 4 स्टूडेंट्स थे वो भी थायराइड की प्रॉब्लम्स थी। उन्होंने इस आसन को करने के बाद उन्हें थायराइड की बीमारी कम हो गई। उन्होंने थायराइड की दवाइयाँ लेना बंद कर दिया। जो भी थायराइड के पेशेंट्स हैं प्लीज आप सब इस आसन को करिए और थायराइड से दूर, थायराइड की दवाइयों से दूर रहिए।
So the following exercises performed by you were known as the pranayama, which is a part of meditation. Now I think you have been warmed up both mentally and physically. Moving on, let's perform some of the asanas which are daily performed in the yoga. I request all of you to stand up. Beginning with, we'll be performing the Trikonasana. Trikon in Sanskrit means the 3 angles. So, widen your legs and arms.
अब हम सब त्रिकोण आसना करेंगे। अपने पैरों को खोल लें और अपने हाथों को मोड़ लें सीधे पैर की तरफ और दोनों हाथों को लाइन में रखें। ये आसन आपको परेशानियों से दूर रखेगा, आपके कंधों को मजबूत करेगा। ध्यान रहे कोई भी इस आसन को जबरदस्ती ना करे, इस पे जितना हो पाए उतना ही करें।
Following through is the Parivritta Trikonasana, which is the second form of Trikonasana. Similarly, bend your right leg
forward, right hand
Touch your right foot with your right hand and lift your left hand upwards. Make sure your both the hands are aligned in one single straight line.
अब हम सब प्रति वर्धा त्रिकोण आसना करेंगे। आप अब से अपने सीधे पैर को उड़ा लें और फिर राइट हाथ सीधे हाथ से पैर को छूने की कोशिश करें और उल्टे हाथ को आसमान की तरफ सीधे रखें। ये आपकी शरीर
Moving on to the next exercise is known as the Veerbhadrasana. Please follow through with the following steps shown by ma'am for this exercise.
Right leg. Bend your right leg. Then stretch your hand.
वीरभद्रासन। ये आसन आपके कंधों पैरों को मजबूत बनाता है। ये आसन बहुत अच्छा है और बीपी के पेशेंट्स के लिए, मरीजों के लिए बहुत ही फायदेमंद है। जैसा कि मैम बता रही हैं और जैसा कि मैम कर रही हैं।
This is Veerbhadrasana 2. Hold your right leg. Then stand.
Stretch your both the hands upward, making a namaste position, and try to take it in the backward direction. But make sure not to force yourself. Only take it to the limit which is possible. As this is your first session, it will be really difficult for the beginners. Do not force yourselves.
प्लीज आप सब अपने आप को फोर्स ना करें, जितना हो पाए उतना ही करें।
Moving forward, let's squat on the ground. I know you might be thinking what's happening standing and squatting, standing and squatting, but this is also a type of exercise which will help you gain more warm-up. The blood circulation in your body will be increased. So it's to make sure that you also perform standing and sitting exercises simultaneously. First one is the Paschima Uttasana. Here, keep your legs forward, rotate your foot and toes, align your arms and shoulder in the same length, and try to bend forward but slowly. Touch your toes. Try to touch your toes. If you cannot, please stay in the line which is possible for you. Do not force yourself.
अब पश्चिमा आसन। आप सब अपने पैरों को आगे की तरफ कर लें और आप अपने हाथों को और कंधों के बीच का गैप बराबर होना चाहिए। फिर आप पैर को छूने की कोशिश करें। अगर आप नहीं कर पाते हैं तो उसी आकार में बने रहें। अपने आप को फोर्स ना करें इसको करने के लिए, पर उसी आकार में रहिए जैसा कि मैम कर रही हैं। इस आसन की वजह से आप सबका मोटापा कम होगा, शारीरिक जो शरीर का जो परेशानियां हैं वो भी कम
The belly fat will be reduced, and this is really helpful in tightening your calf muscles. Moving on is the Upavishta Konasana. Bringing in, make sure you have some space around you. Widen your legs as much as possible. Do not force yourself again. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Breathe normally. Bend forward and try to touch the ground. If not possible, just make sure you stay at the line which is possible by you.
अब हम सब वस्तिका आसन करेंगे। दोनों पैरों को खोल लीजिए और फिर दोनों हाथों को अपने पैरों से छूने करें और सांस को अंदर और बाहर करें। जैसा कि मैम कर रही हैं। जरूरी नहीं, आप सब प्लीज फोर्स ना करें अपने आप को। अगर नहीं होता है तो जरूरी नहीं है कि आप उन पैरों को छुए, आप उसी पोजीशन में बने रहें।
As ma'am is showing you, you can just stay in the line aligned. As ma'am has an experience of 5 years, she's able to touch the ground, but that doesn't mean you should touch the ground. If you're able to, that's really good, but make sure you do not force yourself.
जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, मैम को 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, वो ये सब आराम से कर सकते हैं। लेकिन आप सबके लिए ये पहला सेशन है, तो ध्यान से जितना हो पाए उतना ही करें। जैसा मैम कर रही है, बस देखें और बॉडी को
Moving forward is the Baddha Konasana. This is known as also, that is the butterfly exercise. Fold your legs inward and shake it like a butterfly. Try to bend forward if only possible.
अब हम सब वज्रासना करेंगे। अपने दोनों पैरों को अंदर की तरफ मोड़ लो और धीरे धीरे जैसे तितली उड़ती है उस तरीके से धीरे धीरे अपने दोनों पैरों को हिलाओ।
Normally inhale,
और
exhale.
धीरे धीरे सांस ऊपर और नीचे की तरफ लो। ये आसना ज्यादातर मेंस्ट्रुएशन और पीसीओडी में बहुत फायदेमंद होता है।
Now is the Bhujangasana. Here, try to sleep on your stomach.
अब हम सब भुजंग आसना करेंगे। आप सब अपने पेट की तरफ लेट जाएं और फिर शरीर को ऊपर की तरफ लेके आए। धीरे सांस आप आराम से लें।
Here, make sure you're breathing normally. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Do not force yourself. Lift your upper body in the forward direction. Here, Bhujang means the snake. So, the effect mainly falls on your stomach, and that's how it helps you to reduce the belly fat and also strengthen your spine.
धीरे धीरे सांस अंदर और बाहर की तरफ लें, जैसा कि मैम कर रही हूँ। ये भुजंगासन आपकी कमर को मजबूत करता है और आपके शरीर को बहुत फायदेमंद होता है।
Once you're done doing the following exercise, let's move on to the Shalabhasana. Please sleep in the same position, but stretch your hands forward. Try to lift your legs upward. Head should always face upward. Do not face it downwards. Raise your legs as much as possible. It's just like a streamlined body, like a boat floating in the water.
अब हम सर्व आसना करेंगे। आप अपने हाथों को आगे की तरफ लेके आए, सर को ऊपर की तरफ और अपने पैरों को ऊपर की तरफ लेके आए, उठा लें। ये आसन ज्यादातर आपके कमर के लिए काफी अच्छा होता है, बहुत फायदेमंद होता है, जैसा कि मैम कर रही है। प्लीज अपने आप को फोर्स मत करो, अगर नहीं होता है जितना होता है उतना कीजिए, अगर नहीं हो पाता है तो पोस्चर में रहिए।
These are some of the most basic and the simple exercises. As this is your first session, once you're thorough with these following exercises, you can follow through with the advanced or the intermediate level. But make sure you do these following basic exercises. But in the beginning, do not force yourself. Just make sure you can do only as much as you're able to do. Do not force yourself again. Now, let's relax our body and mind. Now, relax your body and mind. That is by the Shavasana. Shavasana is known for sleeping like a dead body. That's why Shava means the dead body in Sanskrit. Keep your hands in the supine position, that is facing upwards. Keep your weight to the ground. Just relax. Put your body weight on the ground. Do not think about anything else. Try to bind both your mind and the body together. Let go of all the stress that lies in your mind.
अब सब आसन जैसा कि मैम कर रही हैं, आप सब वैसा ही कीजिए। इसके सब आसन के सबसे बड़ा फायदे ये है कि ये आपके ब्लड प्रेशर में बहुत काम आता है, आपकी परेशानियों को करता है और आपको ध्यान में और एक तरफ
An important point to note on: do not get up in a straight way. Turn towards the right side. Inhale, exhale, slowly inhale, exhale, and sit up from your right side. Scientifically known for it, it is done in this particular way because it is really good for your heart. The blood flow from your body is brought back to its normal flow from your supine position. So one point to be noted is that when you're sleeping in the night, also sleep towards your right side because it makes sure that there is a proper blood flow throughout your body.
सबसे जरूरी बात, आप सब सीधे हाथ की तरफ से उठें और सर
Okay, coming to the final part of our today's session is the meditation. Meditation in itself is losing out all the stress that's in your mind and trying to find that one light spark that lies within your mind. So let all of us close our eyes. Slowly close your eyes. Keep your right hand on your left hand. Bring it down to your abdomen area. Now, spell Om loudly in one breath as loudly as possible, but make sure that you're reciting it only in your one breath.
को मुझे तो एक इमेज को पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट करके दे सकती है? हाँ, Send
आपको
करती हूँ।
ओम सिर्फ एक ही सांस में बोलना है। बार बार आप सांस लेके नहीं बोल सकते हैं, सिर्फ एक बार सांस लेना है और उसके साथ ओम को आपको बोलना है।
जितना लंबा आप ओम बोलोगे उतना आप सबके लिए अच्छा होगा। सिर्फ एक सांस में आप सबको ओम बोलना है। एक सांस लीजिए और उसके बाद तेज से ओम बोलिए।
नहीं, मुझे अलग सा चाहिए। इसमें पूरा वो नीचे वाला नाम आ रहा है।
Once you're done reciting the Om, now just try to recall your voice of Om that you had recited. Go back, recall the voice through which you had chanted the Om. Go back, slowly go back and recall those words of Om.
धीरे धीरे वापस आइए। जो आपने ओम बोला है उसको ध्यान में रखिए। धीरे 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 वापस आइए, वापस आइए, आइए धीरे।
Now, stay at the point that you are. I know you can see darkness all around you. It's pitch black around you right now. You're closing your eyes. Nothing is visible, just the darkness all around you. Imagine that there are colorful butterflies around you, flying here and there. You can see a beautiful waterfall in front of you. There's a blue sky. It's very beautiful. Your surrounding is splendid, breathtaking. Try to imagine. There are birds chirping everywhere. There are plants grown. You can see the best thing that you can ever think of. If you cannot see any one of these also, it's fine. Try to recall of something, someone, or anything that is really, really, really dear to you, near to your heart. The best thing you can ever recall of. It can even be a memory. Go deeper, go deeper. You will finally find it, that one spark of light.
आप सब सोचें कि आप आसपास की सुंदर चीजों को देख रहे हैं। आपके आसपास तितलियां उड़ रही हैं। आप उड़ती तितलियों को महसूस कर रहे हैं। थोड़ा सा और अंदर की तरफ चलें तो आपको दिखेगा झरना बह रहा है। थोड़ा सा और अंदर की तरफ चलें तो आपको दिखेगा कि नीला आसमान को आप देख रहे हो, जिसमें चिड़िया चहचहा रही हैं। हरे भरे पेड़ दिखाई दे रहे हैं। और अंदर जाके सोचो, और अंदर जाएंगे तो धीरे धीरे सोचो, सोचो उस चीज को जो आप देख रहे हो। देखो कि आप कितनी सारी हरियाली देख रहे हो अपने आसपास, कितनी सुंदरता है आसपास। धीरे धीरे जैसे कि आप इस दुनिया में है ही नहीं, उस चीज को महसूस करना, धीरे 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 धीरे।
If you're not able to see any one of these, also it's fine. Try to find one light spark, one bright light that will bring you out of that darkness you are in right now.
अगर आपको वो नहीं दिखाई देता है तो कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन ध्यान में रहिए, ध्यान से कोशिश कीजिए कि आप उस चीज को देख पाए, धीरे धीरे उस चीज में खो जाएं कि यहाँ पे कुछ है ही नहीं, आपके आसपास कुछ है ही नहीं, बस आप और वो समय।
Now, slowly, very, very slowly, open your eyes. Come back from that very memory.
धीरे धीरे अपनी आंखों को खोलें, बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे। वो सब पीछे छोड़ दो जो अभी आपने सोचा, अब आप उससे बाहर आओ, धीरे धीरे अपनी आंखों को खोलो, धीरे धीरे।
Just a note, if any one of you were not able to find that spark of light or that white thing I described, or even recall a memory of yours, or see the imagination that I created for you, it's okay. It's really, really okay. Why? Because it's your first session. Ma'am herself has told that she herself was not able to find that spark for the first week in her first yoga class. So, guys, cheer up. This is your first class, and that too first session of just 1 hour. So it's fine. Just know the basic details and how you're supposed to follow through. Meditation is something that can never be achieved through 15 minutes. But here, you're just being introduced to what is called as meditation, just the basics, so that you can follow on to know what is meditation. As we have come to the end of the session, do any one of you have any questions regarding today's session?
प्लीज ये सेशन लास्ट है, प्लीज अगर आप सबको किसी को भी कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज अपना क्वेश्चन राइज करें, प्लीज मेरे से आप सब कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, आप सब फ्री टू टॉक है। थैंक यू।
Audio video.
If no questions, thank you, ma'am, for today's session. It was a wonderful session, and it was really, really, really grateful to follow you through the following exercises. So moving on, Muskan, will you take over?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here with all of us today. And it was really, really great to learn so many asanas and beautiful meditation exercise. And I would surely practice this from now onwards. After going back, now I've understood the basics that, how to practice guided meditation, and all the asanas you've taught so simply and so beautifully that can be done by all of us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here once again. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. Hope we had a very beautiful, relaxing, calm session with ma'am, and hope that we take care of ourselves, take care of our mental and physical well-being, no matter how busy our schedules are, but finding little time out of our busy schedule for our self-care and our maintaining our mental and physical well-being. So thank you so much, everyone. Hope we
Thank
all
you.
keep practicing yoga, keep doing meditation, and hope we keep calling ma'am in our future sessions. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much
you
for being
very
here.
much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.